Right, hello everyone, and look, today me and my brother Alfie bought this at the store, as you can all see, and today we are going to unbox it. So on the back it shows the 3 steps there. Put the bullet in, pull that back, and then shoot there. So I say all we have to do is get unboxing, right?
Yeah. Need scissors.
No, we don't. Oh, so it's easy to unbox. To do is pull that back. So as soon as you open it, this is what you would see. So let's get out the gun first. So it's a pretty good gun, I have to admit. It's really good. So if you just leave that, we are going to do some like the accuracy of this and power. So let's get this loaded. This is how you load it. So you put the bullet in, simple as that, pull it back and you're ready. Okay? So you just come up here. I'm just going to put it there. Well, that was really good. So it's quite powerful, like, but just for a pistol, like really powerful.
And
So
shirt on.
don't do that. This is a really good product right here. And then in the next video, we will be playing Black Ops 4.
And I play Fortnite.
Yeah, and Alfie will be playing Fortnite. So, this will be it. I'll see you in the next one. Peace!